In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy trades on MetaTrader 5 if you're looking to diversify your trading strategy or simply want to leverage the expertise of professional traders. Copying trades could be a fantastic option for you. Let's dive in and walk through the steps to get started on MetaTrader 5. First, begin by launching your MetaTrader 5 application. Once you're on the main screen, direct your attention to the upper right corner, where you'll find your profile icon. This section is essentially your gateway to various features and settings within MetaTrader 5. By clicking on your profile icon, you can access several important service options, one of which is crucial for our task today. Next, you'll want to click on the MLQ5 Services top-up option. This is a necessary step because subscribing to or copying trades requires an active MLQ5 account with sufficient funds. The top-up option allows you to add funds to your account, which you will need in order to subscribe to trading signals. Make sure your account is funded so you can proceed smoothly with copying trades. Once your account is all set and topped up, the next step is to click on the Signals tab. This is where you'll find a comprehensive list of trading signals that you can choose from. These signals are essentially trade recommendations made by other traders that you can choose to follow. You will see an array of options, each with detailed performance metrics that help you make informed decisions about which trader or strategy you might want to emulate. Now take your time to browse through the list of available signals. It's crucial to assess each option carefully, paying close attention to the trader's past performance, risk level, and the fees associated with each signal. This is important as your potential gains could be affected by these factors. Selecting the right signal source will set the foundation for the trades you will be copying. After you've done your research and have settled on a signal you would like to follow, you will need to subscribe. Keep in mind that this subscription is typically a paid service, so ensure that the funds you added earlier cover this cost. By subscribing, you're essentially agreeing to have the trades executed on your behalf, aligning your trading activity with that of the signal provider. There you have it. You've now successfully set up your MetaTrader 5 platform to copy trades from professional traders. Remember, while this can be an effective way to enhance your trading portfolio, it's important to monitor the performance and adjust your strategies as needed. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.